Thanks for watching Access 21. Here are some free events that are happening in and around Charlotte-Mecklenburg this weekend.
Friday, February 28th, 2025. Skate your heart out at Soul Food Mill District, Urban District Market, 421 East 26th Street, Charlotte, North Carolina. Admission is free. You can bring your own skates or rent a pair of skates for only $5. There is an indoor skate floor. Weather permitting, festivities will move outside. Local DJs will spin pop, EDM, and house sets at 9 p.m. Soul Food will be offering skate night specials on their late night menu. No outside food or drink permitted. Fridays, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. 5 poets from diverse backgrounds who have recently emerged on the Charlotte literary scene will perform a choreo poem to promote poetry, culture, and community. Poetry is where they converge and incorporate these differences artistically and humanely. That is why they call themselves Lit Nation. 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. at Goodyear Arts, 301 Camp Road, Charlotte, North Carolina. Saturday, March 1st, 2025. There are 2 farmers markets happening. Uptown Farmers Market, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. at 300 South Davidson Street, Charlotte, North Carolina. This market operates every Saturday to March 15th, 2025. And North End Farmers Market, from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Location 188 North Tryon Street, Charlotte, North Carolina. The market operates every Saturday to April 5th, 2025. The Home Depot's Kids Workshops take place the first Saturday of the month from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Find details and announcements on homedepot.com/c/kids. Make sure to register. Each child can bring home their completed project, a Kids Workshop apron, an achievement pin, and a certificate. Every Kids Workshop kit comes with a related STEAM activity so that kids can continue learning and playing. This month's project is basketball game. Sunday, March 2nd, 2025. Mint Hill Car Show, Hot Rods on the Lawn, takes place the first Sunday of every month from 1 to 3 p.m. in the parking lot of Chick-fil-A, 7404 Matthews Mint Hill Road, Mint Hill, North Carolina. It's free to participate. All makes, models, and years are welcome. Come and check out the cars or bring yours to show off. Chick-fil-A will not be open. Brighter Day Community Choir of Charlotte is presenting a free concert on Sunday, March 2nd, 2025 at 4 p.m. at Mayfield Memorial Baptist Church, 700 West Sugar Creek Road, Charlotte, North Carolina. The spring concert, There is Power in Prayer, features song selections specifically curated to inspire a sense of purpose and the value of prayer. The concert is open to the public and free to attend. Bring a friend.
For more information on these events and more, be sure to visit charlotteonthecheap.com.